Today we're going to be switching out the standard RV screen door latch. So this is pretty much the standard of what most RVs have. And they're plastic. They kind of start bending and breaking the latches. So they're kind of floppy. So we're going to switch that out with an all aluminum one. So the latch here is aluminum. This is aluminum. We're going to show you how you can directly replace this, and it's not hard at all. So we'll get started. So this is the standard latch that's on most RVs. It's plastic. It's got 2 screws here and 2 screws on the backside. And this is the problem they have. This plastic thing wears out and it starts to kind of give way on you. So we're going to switch that out, and I already took the screws off, so it just popped right off like that. And the goal of this is you won't get complete coverage here anymore on your screen, which I don't think it's a big issue because it's just a little spot. It'll go on the backside here, and then you're open. You'll still have the normal open, so you'll just, when this is shut, you'll be able to open it. And you're going to have to move. It's a new aluminum latch assembly that goes here. So you're going to get rid of this. And the idea is when you take this off, you'll just put these 2 screws back in here so it won't look ugly. So let's do that real quick. Now that we got that out of the way, we need to install this. So this is going to go here. And basically, let me show you. You could move the old latch, but I think it'd be just as good just to line it up with that. That way it'll latch in nicely right there. Technically, you could move the old latch and reuse the holes on that side, but I think I'm going to keep this latch where it's at because that's a pretty nice solid latch. So I'm going to go right there. 1. 2. All right, so there it is. So this is the halfway mark. We'll check the gate shutting. Shuts good. Now we got to put this one on. So as you go on, you learn things. These panels don't have metal here. So those 2 holes suck. So you learn as you go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this up and get the latch right here for a nice sturdy spot. And then I'll move the other side up. So let's do that. Some of these things you got to learn as you go. So now we got that latch is on there. Nice and sturdy. So this is the old latch. And as you can see, the screws are up here and the latch is down here. So you think of structure-wise, that's why those screws keep breaking, because it's got a long lever. You know, it's just going to pop right off. Where the new one, the screws are right down where the catch is. So it'll keep it nice and solid for a long, long time. And on this side, you can see right here, I got to move this now. Now the new one comes with a latch. So I'm just going to use the new one. Fuck! Ow! Wow, did that go clear through? Wow, it did. All right, keep it going. Almost done. Come on. All right. There it is. Shuts there. You get most of your screen door area. Latches on the back of here. Still works with the handle. So I'm going to say that's a win. I'm going to fix myself now. And again, you like what we're doing, please subscribe because you all make it happen.